To accept contactless payments with your smartphone, simply open Tap to Pay in Zeller app, enter the amount, and ask your customer to tap their card. Let's look at this in more detail. Install the free Zeller app on your iPhone or Android device and sign up for your free Zeller account. Once you're logged into Zeller app, launch Zeller Tap to Pay by hitting the tile on your home screen. You can also launch Tap to Pay from anywhere in the app via the main menu. The first time you go to Tap to Pay will help you find the position of your phone's card reader, which can vary on different phones. To start a transaction, key in the amount to charge your customer, and then hit the Tap to Pay button. Ask your customer to pay by holding their card or device to your phone's card reader. Once the payment is approved, you can send your customer an email or SMS receipt. Funds from payments accepted are settled nightly or next business day if you're settling to your own bank account. Tap to Pay is available with Zeller app on compatible iPhones and Android devices. To find out more about Tap to Pay with Zeller app, including tipping and surcharging, Zeller POS Lite with Tap to Pay, and issuing refunds, visit the Zeller Support Centre.